Alright, today we're going to show you how to install this aftermarket headlight bracket on the new JL. Alright, first to install these brackets, first we're going to undo the side latches and open up the hood. Alright, first we're going to pull out the pins here. I already removed this one. You simply just get a flathead and just pop these out. We got 6 of these on top, 3 on each side. Alright, with the 10mm socket, we're going to remove these 3 bolts. 1, 2, and 3. Now the headlight simply just comes out. Then you have a tab here to push, and just pull the plug right out. We're going to line up the 3 sides to the same location as the original 3 bolts. And the same screws. Now to install the aftermarket headlight, we first need to unscrew the headlight ring. Alright, we're just going to put in our aftermarket headlight. It will lock in place. And the install will be the same for both left and right sides.